guys, Charlie from Custom Kraft. Here today, gonna do a couple of things. Is review this bar from factory 47. It's their Maddogger bar. It's an awesome bar. I love it. I love my ape hangers, my Vikla bars from them, but this would have been second choice for me, this bar. I see a lot of rides over in America with these bars on it, and a lot of guys on social media too, all over the world with this type of design in their bars. Love these bars. They come to a point here, gives the bike a bit more aggressiveness. I like it, a bit more attitude. The points are very popular, I see on the bikes. A lot of guys ride with pointed parts. This would be a perfect match to your build. The handlebars themselves are very comfortable. My arms are fully stretched, and that riding along would be perfect, absolutely perfect. Now here's the catch. They're 18-inch bars. From the point to the bottom, that is 18-inch. But the beauty of these bars, because they slope down, they're only a 16-inch bar. So you've got a big appearance of an 18-inch bar with the comfort of a 16-inch bar, right? So perfect for riding, absolutely perfect. As you can see, you've got these great bends going down into it, into the front there, beautiful bends, and the craftsmanship on that corner, have a look at it on that point, just all around here. Now the great thing about these bars is these bars are properly finished off on the inside, right? They're finished off just as good on the inside as they are on the outside. My brother from Bonehead Customs that fitted up my bars, he happily told me that all my electricals and everything like that were easy to pass through the bar, no problem. And the electrical loom did not get damaged, ripped, or cut up. That's the last thing you need. Especially when you're fitting up some bars and you're a novice and you get a bar that's not as well finished off, and you spend all that time trying to get the electrical loom through the bars, and all it does is get ripped to shreds. But not on the factory 47. Boom. That's why we got them. For those guys who have never had ape hangers, and are thinking about putting them on their bike, I just want to go over a bit of a myth, something I see on social media, mainly from guys who haven't got ape hanger bars, and they comment about it being uncomfortable, right? Well, actually, ape hangers are very comfortable bar, and the reason why they're comfortable, that's me holding onto it. I'm probably just a little bit taller than what my bike is here, but you can see me holding onto it. My back is actually straight. So when I'm riding, my back is staying straight the whole time. So for me, my back is really bad. For me, the ape hangers were a saviour. They keep it nice and straight. And because of the shape here and the wrists are straight, there is no tension in my legs with these type of bars and the design on them. I'll get my other bars and I'll show you why on that one. But yeah, they make you ride the bike up straight, so very comfortable. I've already done a long distance ride on my ape hangers, and they're beautiful, beautiful bars. Okay, so the myth, ape hangers are uncomfortable if they're tall. No, they're more comfortable. If I was to get bars and I lean forward, right? If I just lean forward, I've got all strain up my back and down into my legs already. and that's just leaning forward, right? I'd probably last a couple of blocks and the back would be stuffed. These things, beautiful. Awesome bars. So here are my old ape hangers that I took off the bike. They have a different angle bend on them. I'm going to exaggerate this a bit, but these were so uncomfortable to ride, and also it affected my riding skill. The reason being, mainly for me, is if you have a look at my wrist, you know, to exaggerate it, is like that. It's kicked over, you know, I'm just exaggerating it. And therefore, all of the riding that you do, it was going through my wrist. And it was through my wrist was the pressure point every time I rode it. But with these bars, as you can see, it's completely straight, and they totally eliminate that sort of pressure in your wrist. I love them. I absolutely love them. Hence my riding skill has improved so much. I'm taking the corners faster, I counter steer better, just more confident rider, happier rider. Yeah, I really blown out with how comfortable it is to ride now, and the skill level of improvement has been awesome. We've got a lot of traffic here in Australia, and it helps to be happy and comfortable on the bike, and with the skill level enough to avoid idiots, put it that way. So I'm riding faster, I'm cornering better, I counter steer better, but the key factor is I enjoy riding a lot more too. One of the beauties about these bars is the knurl on the bar. There's plenty of it. That's what you call a knurl, where it's got that diamond pattern. So you're able to get good grip once you clamp down on it. Ever since I've had mine on the bike, I'm very confident that they're not going to move. Not like my older ones that move several times because of a lack of knurl. That thing there, done properly. Thanks guys for watching, I really appreciate it. Thanks to all you guys on our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our YouTube channel. We've been getting heaps of feedback in regards to our features and our adventures and the content we're showing. Thank you very much everyone. It's great to get your feedback, and it's awesome that you're really enjoying what we're putting up. We're going to be putting up a lot more in the near future. So thanks again brothers. Ride safe, have fun.